Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Your Dinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making pasta arrabbiata. This is a very spicy pasta dish from Italy. In our previous video we already made homemade pasta, so now we only need the good pasta sauce to go with it. So, let's start. First things first, peel one decent sized onion and cut it into small pieces. Put enough olive oil into a pan for your onions to cook. Fry the onions on a medium heat until they are translucent. In the meantime, slice the top and bottom of 2 big chilies. Leave the seeds in, so the sauce will become nice and spicy. Add them to the onions and fry them as well. You can instantly see it changing color. Put 1 tablespoon of dried oregano in the pan and stir everything together. Lastly, grab 2 garlic cloves and cut it into small pieces. Burnt garlic tastes awful, so I'm adding the garlic at the end to prevent it from burning. When you start to smell the garlic, you can add all of the tomato cubes or passata. It depends on what you want to use. Stir it together and let it cook on low heat for at least 1 hour. Plenty of time to have a drive down the countryside with my dog. Now we can actually start assembling everything. You can use freshly made pasta or store-bought one. Grab 2 pans, one for cooking the pasta in and one with your sauce. I also use a frying pan to mix the pasta in later. Cook the pasta to al dente and add it to the pan. Add in a couple spoons of sauce and also add some spoons of the cooking water. Keep mixing and adding until the pasta is creamy and you're happy with the consistency. Lastly, grate over some fresh Parmesan cheese and you can dive in. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next. Hit the like and the subscribe button. And of course, I see you in the next video.